All right, hi guys, we're on the independent practice, but before we do that, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the previous section. So most of you guys were absolutely correct. Paragraph 1 is the best. So the first reason it's the best is because it has all the parts of the professional paragraph. If we look here, we can see we have a strong topic sentence that answers the question. Remember, a theme is a lesson. There is hope even when we are scared is a lesson. Then it has all of these supporting sentences. And what I want to point out is for the supporting sentences, there's two pieces of evidence, right? There's Miss Litchin saying, hey. Oh my goodness. So when I look here, here's my first piece of evidence. I've embedded it within the paragraph. So it says she felt very scared with the current health crisis. Every time she entered the emergency room, she said, quote, her stomach twists and fingers shake. Okay, so this is well embedded within the paragraph. And then I explain it immediately afterwards in three sentences, okay? So make sure this person does a good job explaining it. Next, here's another quote, also embedded, and the person also explains it right afterwards, Miss Litchin. Okay, and finally, there's a strong conclusion at the end that, once again, tells us what the theme is in complete sentences. So this is what we should look like. Two pieces of evidence, two context, two explanations, all the way through. Now, next, you're going to work on your old professional paragraph and make it better. For every single one of you that turned this in by Sunday, I have left you specific feedback. If you didn't get feedback and want me to check yours out, it was late, that's okay, just let me know. But all of you have feedback in Edulastic. I don't want you to start over, I just want you to improve on what you already have. So how do I find my paragraph with feedback? You need to follow these steps. I wish I could show you a little bit more clearly, but because I'm not a student on Edulastic, it's a little bit hard for me to show you. So I'm going to go through these a couple times, and this is here for you as well. First, you go to Edulastic, and then the second tab on the left side, so like up over here on your Edulastic screen, is going to say Assessments. Then you're going to find the old mastery check. It's DLELS Module 3 Mastery Check. And you'll see your score. The score is just a placeholder. Don't worry if you got a 0 out of 1 or 1 out of 1. That doesn't really matter. And then at the bottom, you should be able to either see your paragraph or see something that says Continue. And if you click Continue, you'll definitely see your paragraph and the comments I wrote. If that's not working or you're still confused, just message me and I'm happy to walk you through those steps. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste that paragraph right here in this space. And you'll continue to work on it and revise it based on that professional paragraph checklist above, and you can use this exemplar as a guide. Two pieces of evidence, two explanations, two contexts every time. Use your professional paragraph handout, sorry, not checklist, to help you out with that, and use this as a guide. Feel free to use this. If your first sentence was not good, just take this one and use this theme and then find your own evidence and use your own explanations. So this can definitely help you. You're going to revise your paragraph right here. If you want to listen to the poem again, it's down here right below. Okay, so you're just writing a whole paragraph right here. It should be quite long because there's two pieces of evidence, don't forget. If you don't know how to copy paste, you simply highlight the whole thing. Whoopsies, let's try this. Okay, and you click on the right click on your computer. Oh dear. And then you can click copy will be available. If that doesn't work for you, another thing you can do, and I've written it down at the bottom here, is you highlight it and then click Control C at the same time to copy. Control V will paste it. If you have trouble with that, let me know. I'm happy to help you out with that as well. But that's what you're doing there. So once again, you're going to go find your old paragraph in Edulastic from the last module that we did last week. copy paste it here, and then revise it and make it better. Remember, you have to proofread. You have to proofread. This one, number 3 right here from earlier, they didn't proofread. Okay? And you have to have 2 pieces of evidence. This one did not have 2 pieces of evidence. So make sure you're doing those things. Once you're done, your mastery check is simply to copy and paste this into the new mastery check in Edulastic now. I know that was a lot of instructions, so if you have questions, let me know. If you're feeling confident and you know what to do, that's great. Otherwise, I'm going to walk through it one more time slowly. Okay? So the first thing you're going to do is go to Edulastic and pull up your old assessment from last week and copy paste it here. Then you're going to revise that, make it good, 2 pieces of evidence, proofread. Feel free to steal things from up here. And then you're going to go to the new mastery check and copy paste that, and then you're done for the day. All right, take care and reach out with questions.